Hey guys, in this video I am going to explain how to start affiliate marketing. So first of all, let's find out what is the affiliate marketing. It means promote a product or service and get a commission. So this product is not belong to you, it's someone else's product. So only you have to promote that product and get the commission. After you promote and sell that product, you don't need to do anything because the owner of that product will handle everything about that product or service. Only you have to promote it and make sales. When you become an affiliate marketer, you will get a special link for service or product. That means you can use that link to generate commission. So there are three types of commissions that you can get. Those commissions are pay per sale, pay per lead, pay per click. Pay per sale means if you able to share your special link and make some sales, you will able to get the commission. Pay per lead means if you able to promote that link and generate leads for that product or service, you will able to make commission. Pay per click means if someone click your special link and go to the product or service page, you will make commissions according to those click and according to the region. So in those three methods, pay per sales is the best way to earn commissions and become a successful affiliate marketer. So in this video I only talk about the pay per sale type affiliate marketing. So there are two types of commissions that you can get for pay per sale affiliate marketing. Those are recurring commission and single payment. So you will see this affiliate payment type of GetResponse affiliate marketing program. So in GetResponse, if you able to generate one sale using your special link, you will get $100 for that sale. That means if you able to generate 10 sales, you will make $1,000 in GetResponse affiliate marketing program. Also, second method is recurring commission. That means if you able to generate a sale, you will get 33% from that sales and you will get 33% of commission for each month. As example, if you able to make customer for GetResponse monthly subscription, let's assume monthly subscription is $10 and each and every month when that customer pay for GetResponse, you will get 33% from that subscription, which means 33% from the $10. So the best commission type is recurring commission because you will get paid again and again without doing anything. Only you have to generate one customer. As long as that customer subscribe to the product or service, you will get the recurring commission. But some programs don't have recurring commission affiliate marketing system. In that case, we have to promote that affiliate product for single payment commissions. So let's talk about how to start affiliate marketing. Before you start affiliate marketing or before you promote any type of product, you must have an audience to promote that affiliate product. That means you have to build niche targeted audience. Niche targeted means you can pick a niche like health and fitness, traveling, pet and dogs, love and relationship, or any type of niche and build the audience around that niche. So you can use social media, blogging, paid traffic, forums, email marketing and other ways to build that audience. After you build niche targeted audience, you will be able to promote your affiliate products to those audience. As example, you can use social media accounts like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, Instagram business account and other type of social media to build your audience. After you build trusted audience, basically you have to share valuable content to your social media account and over time you will able to build a strong audience. So after you build that audience, you will able to promote affiliate product to your audience because you already have trusted audience. and you share value to that people, which means if you share your affiliate product URL with little bit description or share it as a review, you will able to make sales. Also you can start blogging or start contribute on forums or start write content on platforms. As example, you can start your own blog or you can use blogging platforms like Medium, Quora Spaces or LinkedIn article and become a content writer. So when you write valuable articles, people will subscribe to your accounts, and in that way you will able to gain traffic to your article. So in those articles you can share your affiliate link. Also you can use paid traffic, which means you can run ads campaign on Facebook ads, YouTube, Google and using other ad networks. But as a beginner, don't try to use paid traffic to promote affiliate products. If you want to promote affiliate products with paid traffic, prepare for testing and test ad campaign and ad set to find the profitable ad campaign. Also you can collect emails and build your email list. In that way you will be able to share emails to your subscribers and promote your affiliate product. Also the best method is start a YouTube channel. So pick a niche and just start a YouTube channel, and over time you will grow the audience. Always think it as a long-term business. So you have to build trusted brand, and when you build a trusted brand you will able to make lot of affiliate sales. So there are no shortcuts. Now let's find out how to find affiliate products. So there are a lot of affiliate networks that you can join and get affiliate URL. As example, you can join with affiliate platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, CJ.com, JVSU, Amazon Associate and other type of affiliate marketing platforms. After you join with those affiliate platforms, you will able to get your special link. Only you have to create a account on the affiliate platform, then you can set up your payment details and get this type of affiliate link. So you can use this affiliate link to generate sales under your account. The second method is you can find product or service that have affiliate programs. Basically you can go to Google and search product or service name with affiliate program. As example, if we have to find Wix affiliate program, just search Wix affiliate program and you will get details about Wix affiliate program. If we want to promote hosting plan like Bluehost, just search Bluehost affiliate program. Or if you want to promote email marketing software like GetResponse, just search GetResponse affiliate program. So this is the method to find high quality affiliate programs. Also if you search on Google according to your niche, you will able to find lot of affiliate programs. So this is how you can start affiliate marketing. And first of all, don't try to promote affiliate product, just try to build your brand. So if you think you will able to make lot of money by sharing link on your Facebook or on your social media account, that is not true. You have to give value, and after you build the trusted audience, you can promote any link or any service. So I hope you get understanding about affiliate program and affiliate marketing. If you have any type of questions, just let me know on comment section, and I will see you in next time.